the noise coming from in here, so we'll have to remove this top cover as we did before when we were doing the indicators and lights. So wherever the hole, oh there it is, we'll start from there. You got to get right underneath to see it. Right, screws holding the top cover are this type, but the ones underneath, for some reason they've used a different type. So once you've got both covers off, let's try lubrication.
Right, here?
Yeah, give it a go. Right, it's certainly improved. Just a little bit. It's not going to fail an MOT, so, and you've got the airbag, so it's too risky to start. That's not a major problem. All covers are back on. That's a lot better, but I do think part of the problem is the sun. The car's been parked out in the sun, and I think that's because of all the weather we've been having.